Whether you're hard of hearing or just want to watch the TV with the sound off, closed captioning is a convenient feature that helps you enjoy a variety of programming. Closed captioning is an optional service provided for select programs that puts the dialogue and certain other information on the screen. The signal is included with the movie or TV show and needs to be decoded in order to be displayed. If you use a cable or satellite set-top box, this decoding is done by the box, so you'll need to turn this feature on in the settings of your menu of your particular device. If you use an over-the-air antenna or a direct cable connection without a cable box, the television will be decoding the closed captioning signal, as long as the content provides this feature. To turn on this feature of your LG Smart TV, click on Settings and navigate down to Option. Here's Caption. Click and use the left or right arrows to toggle the setting to On. Below this, you'll see different modes. CC1, the default, is generally the closed captioning in the primary language. There might be additional choices available, such as other languages that vary depending upon the programming or broadcaster, so try these for yourself to see what else might be available. It's good to know that smart TV content providers like Netflix, Hulu Plus, and Vudu have also updated their apps to make closed captioning readily accessible to an ever-growing audience.